Welcome to Fixing It Up. I'm your host, Mike Piedra. Today we're in Georgetown, Texas, a little suburb outside of Austin. The guys at Ultra Services Remodeling are going to be doing some interior painting as well as some bathroom flooring installation. So let's take a look and see what's going on. So I'm here with Darnell Lua, the owner of Ultra Services Remodeling. He's going to give us a rundown of what's going to happen.
Well, Mark, like you see, we're in Georgetown, Texas. We're going to do a new remodel in the bathroom.
Pretty far from the last job.
Yeah, it's a little far for the last job, but the customer called us because they like our quality.
Okay.
So what we can do in this job, we're going to remove the toilet.
Okay.
We're going to remove the baseboard and the linoleum and prep for tile.
Okay.
When we're done with the tile, we're going to put back the toilet, the baseboard, and paint it.
So underneath the linoleum, they use some sort of adhesive.
Yes.
What do you do in terms of preparing the floor? That way the tile can stick properly to the subflooring.
Yes, it's a good question. We had to remove all the adhesives.
Okay.
Make the cement ready for the what do you call
The installation of the tile?
The installation of the tile.
Okay, the thin set.
The thin set, yes.
Because the thin set, it won't be able to grab the subflooring, the concrete subfloor, if there's adhesive still stuck to it. So you have to like scrape it off.
Yeah,
right?
we have to scrape it. We have to use some liquid and let it sit, and then we have to use.
So it's like some sort of solution that you use?
Yeah, this is a solution we're gonna use.
Okay, and then I saw the color in the laundry room. It's pretty ugly.
Yeah, it's really bad color, and the customer chooses a different one. It's gonna go with the gray color. It's really popular right now.
Okay.
We're not painting the laundry.
So that gray color, how many coats are you gonna have to put on the wall in order for it to cover properly?
We're gonna put 2 coats.
2 coats, okay. And what finish or what sheen are they gonna put?
Well, it's laundry, the temperature change, so we have to go with the eggshell instead of the sheens.
Why do you go with eggshell as opposed to flat in the laundry room?
Because the laundry bathroom, the temperature changes and so much moisture when you use the dryer, you know, so that's helped the wall. If you get dirty, it's easy to clean. And then most areas we use is the bathroom in laundry. So
what happens if you do use flat on the walls? What are potential issues that can come up in the future by using flat in a high moisture area?
Well, the high moisture area is gonna stick to the wall. It's gonna make discoloration.
Okay.
Or maybe they can cause more in the future.
Okay, and could it also cause the texture to kind of become brittle and like start flaking off?
Yes,
or?
yes they do, because all the moisture penetrates to the flat surface.
Okay, so any areas, okay, folks at home, any areas that you're thinking about painting yourself that has moisture in it, so bathrooms, laundry rooms, maybe even kitchens?
Yes.
Okay, kitchen areas, make sure you use a eggshell finish as the sheen. That way you can prevent any mold or any sort of texture issues down the future. All right, so we're definitely looking forward to the different, the transformation that you make on this project. We saw the last transformation that you made and it was a pretty good transformation. So we'll tune in a little later and see how everything turns out.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Appreciate you.
All right, thank you.
Stay tuned. And remember, cheap always comes expensive. So make sure you do your homework when selecting the contractor for your project.